Hello everyone, this is Napoleon from DJI. DJI launched a series of enterprise products, including the M30 series, DJI Dock, H20N, and FlightHub 2. FlightHub 2 is a cloud-based drone operation management platform. You don't need to install FlightHub 2 on your computer or download an app on your mobile device. Just use the browser on any device to access the FlightHub 2 from anywhere. FlightHub 2 supports the M30 series and the M300 RTK, and it's in public beta right now. Today, we will walk you through a potential rescue workflow with FlightHub 2. Remember to watch the tutorial videos on DJI.com before you start. Let's begin. Mission background. A climber was injured while descending from a mountain. After calling for help, the phone ran out of battery. The rescue team only knows the trailhead entrance and the general location of the cell phone based on a GPS pin. Division of work. The command center makes rescue decisions based on the information and coordinates the ground search team and the aerial search team. The aerial search team searches with aircraft from the sky. The ground search team searches along the path and the ground. All three teams communicate and synchronize the information with phones, walkie-talkies, and FlightHub 2. Equipment: M30T, mobile batteries, laptop, and outdoor gear such as flashlights. You should watch the FlightHub 2 tutorials about how to create an organization and project. For this rescue project, the organization corresponds to the professional rescue team, which participates in multiple rescue missions. The project corresponds to this specific rescue mission. You can add project members through the members page or send an invitation with the project code. The aerial search team can open the Pilot 2 app on a controller and choose this project. One important factor in the rescue mission is deciding the search area to avoid looking for a needle in a haystack. Using search theory and information, the annotation function on FlightHub 2 can be used to efficiently mark and share information. Choose the satellite map and then go to the annotation section. Use the pinpoint annotation for key locations. In this rescue mission, key locations are the cell phone pin and the trailhead entrance. Use different colors to distinguish them. The cell phone pin location has a 2 kilometers radius. Use the polygon annotation to draw the estimated signal area. According to the last phone call, the hiker descended from the top of the trail for about 1 hour. Then, due to the injury, he cannot move. Considering the descending route and speed, we can draw the descending area with the polygon annotation using another color. The key search area will be the overlapping part of the signal area and descending area. The command center should distribute this area to all members of the project. After the key search area is decided by the command center, the ground search team departs towards the area. On their way, they can use FlightHub 2 on their phones to see the current position and target area on a 2.5D map. The aerial search team will start searching for the injured climber at the same time. The satellite map by default is not precise and up-to-date for the rescue mission. The cloud mapping function on FlightHub 2 can solve this problem. To use this function, open the DJI Pilot app on the controller. Enter the flight route, tap Create a Route and Mapping. Tap the target area and select M30 camera or H20N series camera in this editing view. Remember to turn on the cloud mapping. Choose IR or visual, depending on the situation. For instance, You can set the flight route altitude to 150 meters relative to the takeoff point. In advanced settings, you can set 70% for the side overlap ratio and 80% for the frontal overlap ratio. Check the other settings and perform the mission. The GSD is about 20 centimeters per pixel. You can adjust the flight altitude depending on your needs. In this scenario, it takes about 30 minutes to finish a cloud mapping mission at an altitude of 150 meters and an area of 0.5 square kilometers, including the flight time and cloud mapping processing time, which means we just need one flight for the key search area. The bottleneck of the cloud mapping speed is the internet connection of the controller. For areas that don't support the dongle yet, we recommend using a portable wireless router. After the cloud mapping mission is finished, a high-definition map will replace the original satellite map, and all the annotations will remain. It will be safer and more efficient to have this new map for both the ground search team and aerial search team during the mission. With the new map, the command center can mark obstacles like electric towers for flight safety if visible. The main path in the area can also be annotated. The altitude of the aerial search can be set at 100 meters, and the pilot can begin flying along the path. If the search area is large, the command center can divide it into small ones and assign them to different pilots. Different sections can be searched at the same time. Besides the area, takeoff and landing zones, the signal strength, aircraft types, and the experience of the team members should be also considered when you divide the area. The command center can use the live stream function to assist team members during the aerial search. When the batteries run low, use hot swapping for quick replacement. If the aerial search along the path cannot find the missing person, expanding the search to the broader key search area will be necessary. In the past, it was difficult for the aerial search team to search and communicate simultaneously. With FlightHub 2, the pilot can focus on the search mission, and the command center can watch the live stream on a big screen instead of a small controller. The efficiency will be significantly improved. When a suspected target is found, the aircraft can take infrared, zoomed, or panorama photos and upload them to the FlightHub 2, so the command center can review these photos. With the help of a high-detailed map and synchronized location, the ground search team can arrive at a suspected target quickly. The cellular network may be weak or lost in the woods. When it happens, the location of the ground search team cannot be synchronized to FlightHub 2. In this case, the ground search team can announce its coordinates every 10 minutes using the walkie-talkie, and the command center can annotate the locations on the map. If the walkie-talkie is out of range, the aerial search team can watch the previous location of the ground search team using the look at function. Once the location is updated, use the pinpoint function on the aircraft and it will be synced to the FlightHub 2. To improve camera capability, you can use the H20N payload, which has starlight sensors and advanced infrared cameras. After 3 flight sorties, the injured person is finally found. Annotate the target using the pinpoint function on the aircraft. With the combination of the command center and aerial search team, the target is rescued by the ground search team and brought to the hospital. Wow! This is an example of a rescue workflow with FlightHub 2. The personnel management, annotation, cloud mapping, and live stream view are easy to use and so powerful. We hope you enjoyed this video.